Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make Belizean Brukman cheese dip. This is a really simple recipe. You only need 2 ingredients. You're going to need 1 can of media crema, or how we call it in Belize, Nestle cream. And you're going to need 1 can of salsa casera. So I got this recipe from my beautiful niece Tamara. Tamara gave me this recipe. She said, "Unsure, you have to make Brukman cheese dip." I said, "Girl, what the even Brukman cheese dip? I never heard about that before." She said, "Yes, we make this all the time." So she told me you need 1 can of media crema and 1 can of salsa casera. So the word Brukman comes from broke. You know when you're broke and you don't have any money? So a broke man, but the Belizean way is a Brukman. So that's how you get Brukman cheese dip. And Brukman because cheese is expensive. If you have to buy all the ingredients to make a cheese dip, it's gonna cost you a lot. So it's cheaper to buy 1 can of media crema and 1 can of salsa casera. All you have to do is just mix this together and you're done. Your cheese dip is done. They say they like to make this too because they don't have a blender at the moment, and this is easy to make. You don't need a blender or anything. Or even when you're going to the river, it's very hot in Belize. People always go to the river, go bathe, and you could just take this with you and mix it up the river and you have cheese dip. This brand of salsa casera that I use wasn't spicy, so if you want it spicy, you can just add some pepper to it or get one that is spicy. With this not being hot, you can give this to the kids. You can give this to any picnic, but again in picnic at Belize, you know, you grew up to eat pepper, so to them this thing need pepper. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let this chill. It will thicken up a little bit and then I'll come back and show you. You guys, I have to say this is my new favorite cheese dip. I can't believe how good it tastes, and it was so simple to make. Brukman cheese dip, that's my new thing. This is not even for Brukman. I like this. I know you have to be broke for buy this. I mean, I don't know if I even want the next cheese dip because, you know, I can't get the cheese here to make the cheese dip like we make in Belize. But this is very good. If you try this recipe, please come back and let me know what you think, especially if you're a Belizean, because you know what the Belizean cheese dip is supposed to taste like. So let me know what you think of this, or let me know in the comments if you even make this. I'm just eating this with some tortilla chips, and let me tell you, I couldn't stop eating it. Oh my goodness, it's so good. In my last video, I used media crema to make my Belizean cold cake. If you're interested in that recipe, I'm going to leave it linked below for you. Well, I really hope you give this recipe a try. You're not going to regret it. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.